Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer Bitcoin from Binance to crypto.com. So first you need to do is open up your Binance app and then you have to click on this wallet option from the bottom of your screen. Then on the screen, you have to select your appropriate account that you want to use to transfer money, such as you can use your spot account, funding account or earner account. I'm going to select spot account. After that, you have to click on withdraw button, or you can simply select the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer from this list. Then it's going to show you this similar screen. From here, you have to click on this withdrawal. Then you have to click on this send via crypto network option. After that, you just have to paste the wallet address from your crypto.com app in this area. So just open up your crypto.com app and then click on this accounts option. After that, click on crypto wallet, and then from this list of cryptocurrencies, select the cryptocurrency that you want to deposit or transfer. So I will just select Bitcoin and then click on transfer, and from this pop-up window click on deposit, and then you just have to select the network that you want to use. And after you do that, you will be able to get your wallet address. So just click on this copy icon and your wallet address will be copied. Now go back to your Binance app and then paste the wallet address in this area, and in this network tab you have to select the same network that you have selected in your Binance app. So in your crypto.com app. Then you just have to enter the amount how much you want to transfer, and then click on this withdraw button. And once you do that, your Bitcoin will be transferred from Binance to your crypto.com. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.